Thank you very much, Dr. Tamid, for the nice point. I would like to also like to thank our media team, especially to the Mr. Moaz Razak. He put a lot of effort. Put a big round of applause for him. He engraved all the memories of KNU KCT tournament in a very good manner. I would like to call Mr. Naveedullah. Please come on stage. Yeah, and give the award to the Mr. Moaz Razak. Please come on stage.
Moaz bhai has put a great effort. Please stay on the stage, Mr. Moaz. Please stay on stage. We would like to have a little chit chat, Mr. Moaz. Moaz is a very good speaker. We have often seen him speaking about the Islamic issues and especially related to mosque. But the role you played here was fantastic. What do you think about that? What was the flaws and what were the weaknesses you can overcome in the next edition of this tournament?
First of all, I would like to thank all of the KCT teams and all the students who made it possible. Because I think win or lose is just part of a game. The actual thing is like how we participate in it, and the enthusiasm and the sportsmanship that we have seen all throughout the tournament. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you guys. You made it possible actually. Second thing is the responsibility that I was entrusted by the organization, the team, the management. So it was a very heavy burden. Actually, I was the only thing that I think should be improved is like I should be provided at least 2 or 3 other guys as well, because it's very hard to cover all the ground, each and every player. Many moments I missed actually, and I know that some brothers will feel sad about it, but actually I am a human, so I feel sorry, and I whoever have some grief about any moment that I missed, I'm sorry for that, and inshallah I will cover more.
No, I have one more. Did you create heated moments by intentionally and then made that video heated moments of KCT 2022? Because we didn't witness that in the ground.
Actually, the role of media team, you know that media likes spicy events. So whenever there was a hot event going on inside and there is some like clash, so I was happy. Because I had some content for it.
Thanks a lot.